Good evening. Can you hear me? Is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Good evening.
Good evening.
Hope you are doing well, sir.
Yes. Hey guys, we'll start enterprise structure from today onwards. So last time we discussed about the basic settings like basics in SAP. So people who already attended these sessions, okay. If you are fresher, you didn't hear any classes so far, so please connect to Babji sir. So he will assist you with videos, right? Right. So if you joined recently, so please connect to Babji sir. Any new joining here? Any new joining? Okay. See, today I will discuss about enterprise structure. Okay, tomorrow I will do configuration. Okay. So enterprise structure. So enterprise structure, what are the configurations of it? So in SAP, what are the configurations comes under the enterprise structure? Let's have a look at right now. The first configuration, so we need to define company in SAP. So second configuration, define company code. So third configuration, define business areas. So fourth configuration, so define functional area. And define credit control area. Define financial management area. Define profit centers. Okay. So then define company, company code, business area, functional area, credit control area, and after business area, so we need to define consolidated business area. Okay. So then define segments. Okay. So these are the enterprise structure configurations. Okay. Then assignments. There are some assignments also there. Very easy, not difficult. The enterprise structure is very easy. So after creation of the company code, then assign company codes to company. Then assign the business areas to consolidated business areas. Assign credit control area to company code. Assign financial management area to company. Then assign profit center to company code. So please read this for 2 minutes. So everything come right now. So just read out the terminology, then I will start explanation part. Just read out. 2 minutes. Okay. Enterprise structure configuration, define company code, define business areas, define consolidated business area, define functional area, define credit control area, define financial management area, define profit centers, define segments, and the assignments if assignment assign company code to company, assign business area to consolidated business area, assign credit control area to company code, assign FMA financial management area to company code. These are all configurations once we finish up, then enterprise structure configurations are completely done. So under enterprise structure configuration, these are the configurations will come. Okay, company code, business area, consolidated business area, financial management area, function area, credit control area, profit center segments. Now let's look at one by one. I will share you document also for this, don't worry. First and foremost configuration is company. So let's take one company, Tata. So Tata is a company, right? Tata is the company. Tata is the company. So under Tata, there are several company codes will be there. Tata Motors. Okay. Tata Salt. Tata Water. Tata Steel. These are called as a subsidiary company codes. Okay. So Tata Communication. So like that, etc. Okay. So assume Tata has 50 company codes located in India and other country also. Company, what is the purpose of the company? What is the purpose of the company code? So we need to understand these two things right now. The purpose of the company. Tell me anyone what is the purpose of the company? Why we need to set up or why we need to create company in SAP? Anyone?
For consolidation purposes, for consolidation of company codes,
Okay.
and for preparation of financial reports.
Okay.
It's the highest legal entity, sir.
Sorry.
Company is the highest organizational legal entity, sir.
Okay, exactly. So company is the highest organizational unit in SAP. Highest organization is the number one position. Highest organizational unit in SAP. See, under one company, it depends upon the size of the company. There are several kind of company codes will be there. So here, some of the company codes, as I said earlier, Tata Motors, Tata Salt, Tata Water, Tata Steel, Tata Communication, etc. So Tata is the company. The purpose of the company is consolidation or group reporting of all company codes. So once you create a company, okay, then you need to create a company code. All company codes should be assigned to company. That is mandatory because we need to consolidate, right? Okay, so for consolidation or for group reporting, creation of the company is required. So group reporting, you want to give the group reporting for all these company codes. These company codes are located in different countries, but we need to give the reporting in group reporting in USD currency or INR currency or Euro. The client will tell you. Okay, so consolidation reporting. Reporting means what kind of reports we have. What is reporting? So reporting in this sense, financial statements. So profit and loss account and balance sheet. So profit and loss account and balance sheet is very much important for every company. So without this, so we cannot fulfill the legal requirements. And every company wants to know what is the profit for the business segments, business area wise. So we can also find out the profits and what is the profit and what is the loss and what is the assets are there, how many assets are there, how many liabilities are there. So these are all things are very much important for every company. This is the end product. Hence, reporting is very mandatory. So here, so financial statements in the sense profit and loss account, balance sheet and cash flow statements. These are called as a financial statements. So your company purpose is consolidation or for group reporting of all company codes. But your company code, what is the purpose? So company purpose. So company purpose is external reporting. So company code purpose. So company code purpose is also same. External reporting. But what is the mean? What is the difference is there? The difference is the company code is a legal entity. Legal entity wise reporting. Individual financial statements like Tata Motors, what is the profit and loss, what is the balance sheet, and what is the cash flow statements, etc. For Tata Steel, this is called legal entity wise, individual reporting. So if you are combining 50 company codes, that means it's a group reporting. For group reporting perspective, company is required. For legal entity wise reporting perspective, company code is required. That is the main difference between company and company code. Company code is the legal entity, company is the group reporting. So in order to fulfill the legal requirements, see, so every country has its own legal requirements. Every country has its own legal requirements. In India, if you are staying in India, so you set up one company, then end of the year you need to prepare the financial statements, and that financial statements need to comply the legal requirements. Like you need to follow company law, okay, and the statutory regulations like tax rules, regulations, costing, and accounting standards. Okay, so GAAP, IFRS. So these are called as a legal requirements. We need to fulfill these requirements. Okay, we need to fulfill this requirement and we need to comply the requirements. Then, so financial statement should be prepared. So without complying these requirements, so there are your auditor will point out point out your accounts, books of accounts, and your authentication of accounts may not be valid. So that's the reason. So every country, for every country, so legal and local requirement is not same. In India, so legal requirement is okay, but if you go to USA, the legal requirement should be different. If you go to African countries, legal local requirement different. If you go to any other countries, legal local requirement is different. So legal local requirements we need to follow for books of accounts. So that is very mandatory for every company code. And for group reporting, we need to follow some IFRS standards also. IFRS standards means International Financial Reporting Standards. It's a unique standards for every country. Like, so for India, books of accounts preparation is different. For USA, books of account preparation is different. So IFRS is the standard. It's a unique standards. Wherever you go, if you are following IFRS, then every country can understand the requirement. IFRS is the unique standards for all the countries to understand the accounts. Okay. So for group reporting specifically, IFRS comes into picture. So that is the main difference between the company and the company code. The purpose of the company code is also legal reporting, external reporting. So wherever the company is located in India or other country also, we need to follow the legal local requirements. That is very mandatory. Okay. So company code in SAP is very mandatory. And see, individual legal entity wise reporting is very much important for every company. So the third point is business area. So what is the purpose of the business area? Anyone tell me? Why the business area is required?
The business areas are branches, sir.
Okay. What is the purpose of the business area? Why business area is required?
Business area required for the like if you have one organization, one unit in one different types of area. So area wise, we can identify the transaction details for GL, customer, vendor.
Okay.
To prepare
Actually,
financial
it shows the
statements for
profitability
each business.
of the particular business. Hello. Hello. Yes, sir. It shows the particular business area financial statement, whether this
It
area is
will,
profitable or not.
yes, it will show the different financial positions of different areas. Like if one company is getting losses, then it will be manageable by another company.
Okay. Okay, let me explain the business area. See, every company has a business area. Company what has a business area. Business area is nothing but branch. So business area is nothing but branch. So in India, branch-wise reporting is very mandatory. Not mandatory. So it's not mandatory. Okay. So for SAP branch-wise report is not mandatory. It's optional only. Okay. So business area-wise, so we can capture the profit and loss account, financial statements in SAP. So we can also capture the financial statements based on the business area. So why business area is required? Because so we can track the expenditure. So we can track the income also. So branch-wise reporting is not mandatory. Business area creation of business area SAP is not mandatory. It's optional only. So, but we can extract the financial statements. It's an internal reporting, not for external. It's completely internal reporting. We can pull the reports for management, not for complying the legal local requirements of the company. The company has one company called multiple branches. Okay, some branches may be in gain position, some branches may be in loss status. So how the management can segregate loss or gain based on the income, based on the expenditure, cost. For the particular branch, what is the expenditure is happened, what is the income has got generated. So how we can trace out based on the business area. Okay, so business area is nothing but internal reporting. So internal reporting perspective, business area is required, but it is not mandatory in SAP. It's optional only. We can track the expenditure as well as we can track the income. Okay, so for that point of view, business area is required. Business area is just organized. These are all organization units in SAP. Okay, whatever the pointers I'm explaining, business area, etc., etc. These are all organization units. These are all organization units in SAP. See, after creation of the company code company, then we need to assign the company codes to company. Then group reporting is possible. Without assigning this company codes to company, there is no group reporting. Okay. So once you create a business area, then we need to create a consolidated business area. Consolidated business area just like so consolidated. Consolidated means what? So we can consolidate all the business areas and we can give in single report.
Yes, for example, our degree, final year degree consolidated
Yeah.
report.
So we can give one reporting of all these business areas. For that point of view, consolidated business area is required. Once the business areas are created, then we can assign this business area to consolidated business areas. This is very mandatory. First, we need to define company code, business area, then consolidate business area. So you need to assign business area to consolidate business area to consolidate business area. Functional area. So function means, what is function? Tell me. Why functional area is required?
To perform all the operations and actions, yes.
Functional area is nothing but departments. So we have so many departments in the company: sales department, HR department, human resource. Okay, so so manufacturing, production department. Okay, production, plant maintenance, sales, HR, production, PM, material management. So many departments will be there. So for department wise, what is the expenditure incurred? So how much expenditure incurred? For that point of view, functional area is required. See, department, what is the, for each department, what is the expenditure or income? From that point of view, functional area is required. Got my point? For each department, what is the expenditure has been incurred, not generated. No revenue will be generated from the department. Okay. So it is just like capture the expenditure point of view. Then, so financial management area. Financial management area generally use of funds allocation to particular department. So this comes under the treasury module, not in SAP FI. These are all called as organization units. So FMA means funds allocation. So we can allocate the funds to particular departments for maintenance and all. Okay, so functional management area. Once we create a financial management area, then the next step would be need to assign this financial management area to company code. Okay. Then credit control area. Credit means, so how much credit that we can extend our business partner, like customer. How much maximum limit? We need to define maximum limit in SAP. The maximum limit, how much maximum limit that we can allocate to particular customers. That is called as a credit control area. Once we create a credit control area, then next step, you need to assign this credit control area to company code. That is very mandatory. See, just look at the assignments. The assign company code to company. Once you create a company, then you created company codes, then you need to assign this company codes to company. Then we assign business area to consolidate business area. Then credit control area to company code. Then assign FMA to company. Financial management area to company. Then segments. Segment means product. So in India, product-wise reporting is mandatory as per accounting standard A17. A17 says product-wise reporting means product-wise how much expenditure was incurred and how much revenue got generated through that particular product. That is very mandatory. So nowadays, segment-wise reporting is very mandatory. In COPA also this will be impacted, say affected. COPA means profitability analysis. This is CO submodule. So in SAP, SAP FI, product-wise reporting is very mandatory, and as per accounting standard AS17 says, segment reporting is mandatory, and we can capture the expenditure for the particular product, and we can capture the revenue for the particular product. That is very important aspect. Got my point? Then segment product wise, credit control area wise, okay, and department wise, okay, business area wise, okay. Then profit centers. So profit centers comes under the CO model. It is one of the sub module and master data. So profit center is a master data in SAP CO. Okay. The profit center is a master data, SAP CO. So we can analyze the profits based on the products, based on the departments. So internal profits we can analyze. So profit center is a master data in SAP. So while discussing about SAP CO module, so we will discuss clearly what is profit centers and all. So just now, just ignore this is a this model comes under this part comes under the CO model. Okay. So product, how the profits will come? So sales minus cost. So through this profit center, we can capture sales and also cost. Cost means expenditure also. So then finally we can analyze the profits. So profit wise, product wise, group region wise, location wise, branch wise, okay, and division wise. So we can analyze the profits. Okay. So these are all things. These are all SAP organizational units comes under the enterprise structure. Okay. This is enterprise structure configuration areas. So tomorrow I will show you in this system how we can do configuration for this enterprise structure. As a consultant, how we can do the configuration and all. Tomorrow we'll discuss. And so apart from this, there is one more. I will share you one document to you at the end of the session. All theoretical points are there, and some screenshot will be there. Don't worry. This is just like for your understanding. I'm giving rough notes for your better understanding. So every company has its organization structure. Every company has its organization structure. What is organization structure? Hierarchy. Organization structure is nothing but hierarchy. Okay. So client is the highest organizational unit in SAP. So this is number one. Client is the highest organization unit. First comes client. So then credit control, then controlling, then operating concern. Operating concern is nothing but profitability analysis. So like planning. This comes under the SAP CO model. Operating concern comes under SAP CO model. This is second position. So under one operating concern, there are multiple controlling areas will be there. So controlling areas comes under the third position. So one controlling area, multiple company codes will come. Under one controlling area, there are multiple company codes. So like company codes, 5 company codes. So from controlling area to company codes. For controlling area 3, 20 company codes. Okay, under company codes, not company, it's a company code. Under company code, business areas, or profit centers, or cost centers, will come. These are also organized structure missing. This is organized structure. This is organized structure. What my point? So tomorrow, if you go for any interview, the interview will ask you this question like, tell me organized structure of your company. Then you can say this thing: client, operating concern, controlling area, company code, business areas, or profit center or segments. This is the organization structure of the company. Okay, I will share a document also, no worries. This is the overall insights regarding the enterprise structure. So now tomorrow I will show you how to do configuration all. Okay. See, in order to access SAP consultant screen, IMG screen, this is the SAP easy access screen. End users will perform the activities in this screen only. Okay, we have one more screen, that is functional consultant screen, SPRO. Okay, then reference IMG. Okay, so this is the IMG screen. IMG means implementation manual guidance. So we are discussing about enterprise structure. So just go to enterprise structure, go to definition, go to financial accounting. Okay, these are all configurations areas. Define company, credit control area, company code, business area, functional area, console. Just now we discussed. And here, here you will see assignments. So financial accounting and assignments. These are the assignments of the. These are the definition, enterprise structure definition. So you will see all the configurations like so for company, credit control area, company code, business area, functional area, etc., etc. And these are the assignments like assign company code to company, assign company code to credit control area, assign business area to consolidate business area, assign company code to financial management area, profit centers, right? So these are the enterprise structure. These are all comes under enterprise structure. Okay. And you want to see what is company and all, just double click on this, you will see the complete company details, like it's a notes. What is credit control area you want to see? This is the credit control area stuff. So what is company code? These are all things. So this button is called as a execute button. Execute means you can create a company, like you need to give the data entry, data, right? So we'll discuss these things tomorrow, configuration part. So today theoretical discussions only. And you want to see the T code for this enterprise structure. So path is additional information, display key IMG. This is the path. So additional information, display key and IMG activity. Once you double click on this, the last 4 digits you need to consider: OX15, OV45, OX02, OX03. Okay, BD is not working for functional area. It's obsolete. This T code is obsolete for functional area. So like this, we can see at least company T code is OX15. Credit control area T code is OV45. Like that, tomorrow I will discuss now once again this enterprise structure configuration. Okay, so today is this topic like enterprise structure theoretical aspects. tomorrow we'll discuss. We will complete the infrastructure configuration by tomorrow. Okay, I will tell you very slow for very slowly for infrastructure in the SAP. It's a very easy concept, and my request is once configuration part is completed, then you need to send the screenshots immediate basis, and you need to follow regular updates. You need to follow regular videos, and the regular assignments will be there in the future. So please complete the assignments in time and send the screenshot in the chat box so that it will motivate it to other people also. So if you are not sending the screenshots and all people don't send, and they will ignore the assignments and they won't participate much. So everyone should be active in the group so that other people should learn from you, and it would be a great advantage if you guys work together, and very cooperation is very important. Without that, we cannot move ahead. In real time, also without cooperation, we cannot resolve some issues also. That's the reason. From here onwards, everyone should collaborate and discuss the things and learn new points and explore the things in the Google and browse it and check the things which you not which the points are not discussed during the sessions. Okay, so like that you need to extend your knowledge. So this is today's session. Tomorrow, so we will complete configurations. So tomorrow we discuss. Tomorrow we finish up all the configurations. Very easy. Okay, so everyone get access on immediate basis. So get the immediate passes. We already shared server guide details. Okay, we already shared the server guide details. Okay, so you get immediate access. So server details. This is the server details. Babu SAP server. So you can call to him and tell your batch number and get the access immediately. Okay, tomorrow onwards practical sessions will be going on. Okay, so thank you for your support. Good night.